Oh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Are you sure you want to play with that one? What about this one? This one was way more fun, right? No? Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Here. I'm going to take that away from you. There. Now what are you going to do? It's all the way over there. Oh my goodness. Oh, you got a long reach. Huh? You got some long arms. Oh my goodness. How about if I did this? Now what, Ry? Oh, so sad. Huh? You got this, though.
Like, even she knows her limitations.
Yeah.
She wants it, though.
Go for it, Ry. You could do it. Go for it.
Say, this is a good secondary prize.
Okay. Alright, enough, Daddy.
She's gonna go for it.
It's too long. It takes too long to download.
She's gonna go for it. Okay.